Hello everyone, I'm Crystal, this is my daughter Tyla, and welcome to Plenty to Do. Today we're going to walk you through our at-home facial that we do in between monthly facials professionally. We're starting with a little bit of steam to open up our pores. Tyla is using a steamer that we purchased from Amazon, and I'm just using a hot bowl of water to loosen up our skin and so the products can take in. We're using a wash from Pacifica, Glow Baby, and Rose Kombucha to start the cleansing process for our products. Right now we're just using a pineapple enzyme clay face mask. What this does is it actually brightens, smooths, and hydrates your skin. I'm trying to show you the products, but this is our first time doing a YouTube, so we pretty much suck. We will put it in a description link. And we just prepare the skin for the mask, and we're going to leave this on until it's dry, probably for about 10 minutes. All right, so we finished with the pineapple enzyme mask, and now we're moving to a bentonite clay mask. I love these masks because what they do is pull out everything in your pores, even blackheads if you have pimples. So I like doing this on a regular basis if needed. So now that we let the bentonite clay mask fully dry, and you'll know when it's completely dry because your face will get really tight, we're washing this off and moving on to the next step. All right, we can't forget those lips. Okay, so we did a sugar scrub, but it cut out in the video. So we did a brown sugar scrub that we got from Target. You can make this at home. It's a very easy product, just brown sugar and any type of oil. And here we're applying a lip mask. This is a very good lip mask that I ordered from Amazon, and it moisturizes your lips so good and keeps them moisturized. We'll also place this product link in the description. Last but not least, since we have fresh, clean faces and all of our masks and everything has been off, we're going to tone and moisturize. Tyla is using a hydrating balance toner that she just sprays on, and Glossier products that will be also linked in the description. And I am using Pixie and Glossier products, a retinol tonic toner and Super Bounce. It's a good hyaluronic acid with vitamin B serum, B5 serum. And we're just putting this on and then ending it for today with the Black Girl Sunscreen, which you can find at Target. And we just love this sunscreen because as it's hot or cold, it protects your skin. And we're just going to end it with this, and we thank you for watching our video. Please look for product descriptions in the link, and if you have any questions, comments, or anything that you would like to see us do on this channel, just drop a line below. Thank you.